Hi, I'm Dr.Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 18 years. Are you making your New Year resolutions? Let's make another one. Do get rid of your expired makeup products. So, how often should you replace your makeup products and why should you replace your makeup products? Whenever we are buying a makeup product, it comes with an expiry date. That is number one. But remember that once the product is opened, there is always a risk of bacterial contamination. There is always a risk of the product being infected, especially the ones which come in jars, especially the one in come in open materials and don't come in tubes, because constantly our brush, your sponge is going on top of it and then it is coming in contact with your space. So definitely I would recommend you to replace your makeup products, especially your lipsticks, once in every 3 months. If you have not finished using it, please do get rid of it and buy a new one. Replace your foundation every year, because this again it's going to expire within a year. Replace your sponges every 6 months, and remember that both your sponges and your brushes need to be cleaned every month with your either your shampoo, or it has to be cleaned with your makeup remover, particularly made for these cleansing products. What happens if you keep using these products which are expired? They also have some chemicals which are naturally undergoing some degradation, and they are going to be more likely to cause you breakouts, irritation to the skin. They are going to cause a lot of barrier damage to the skin. So the skin is going to start looking more dull, more flaky. So remember, it's not just what you eat, but it's also what you put on your skin that makes you look the best. So do take this New Year resolution with me.